Welcome to our video on the science behind lowering blood sugar fast, explained for beginners. In this video, we will dive into the mechanisms and strategies that can help you reduce your blood sugar levels effectively. Whether you're a diabetic or simply interested in maintaining optimal blood sugar levels, understanding the science behind it is crucial. So, let's get started. Before we explore the science behind lowering blood sugar, let's first understand what blood sugar actually is. Blood sugar, also known as blood glucose, refers to the sugar found in your bloodstream. It is the primary source of energy for your body's cellular functions, but excessive or uncontrolled levels can lead to various health problems, especially in individuals with diabetes. Insulin plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. It is a hormone produced by the pancreas that allows your body's cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream and utilize it for energy. When you eat, especially foods high in carbohydrates, the levels of glucose in your blood rise. In response, the pancreas releases insulin to help transport that glucose into the cells, thus lowering the blood sugar levels. One of the most effective ways to lower blood sugar fast is through dietary strategies. By making mindful choices in your eating habits, you can have a significant impact on your blood sugar levels. Focus on consuming foods that are low in glycemic index, meaning they have a lesser effect on raising blood sugar. Include more fiber-rich foods such as vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, as they promote slower digestion and gradual glucose release. Exercise is another powerful tool for lowering blood sugar levels. Physical activity helps your body become more insulin sensitive, allowing glucose to be utilized efficiently. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week. Regular exercise not only lowers blood sugar levels but also improves overall health and well-being. Staying hydrated is often overlooked when it comes to blood sugar management. However, it plays a vital role in maintaining optimal levels. Water helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine, thus helping to lower blood sugar. Make it a habit to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day, especially when you notice elevated blood sugar levels. Apart from diet and exercise, certain lifestyle modifications can also contribute to lowering blood sugar fast. Getting enough quality sleep, managing stress levels, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption can all have a positive impact on blood sugar regulation. It's important to establish a healthy routine and make these changes a part of your everyday life. Understanding the science behind lowering blood sugar fast is key to effectively managing your levels. By incorporating dietary strategies, regular exercise, hydration, and lifestyle modifications, you can take control of your blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. Thank you for watching.